Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an Airhead Wrapper Template, and this is for the 0.55 ounce candy. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com, and we're going to go over to custom size. And we want our page size to be in inches, and we want it to be 8.5 by 11, and select create a new design. After our blank canvas upload, we want to head on over to elements, scroll down to shapes, and we want our first shape to be 6 inches across, and we want it to be 1.5 inches in height. Next, we want to just center this. Okay, we're going to duplicate the shape. We're going to make it a different color for now. And we want this shape to be 0.6 inches in height. We're going to duplicate the shape again. And we want this size to be 1.4 inches in height. And there you have it. We have created our template for the Airhead wrapper. And from here, we can start designing our labels. As you can see, the labels are pretty small, and I believe we can fit about 3 labels on a full-size sheet of paper. What I normally do is create my first label and duplicate that design and add the additional labels to the sheet of paper. Next, I just wanted to show you all an example of how many labels we can fit on a full-size sheet of paper, and we can fit about 3 labels. I also wanted to point out that this top piece, this is going to be the piece that we use to apply our adhesive, either our hot glue or double-sided tape or whatever kind of adhesive you're using. We're going to use this top piece for there. I wrote glue here. You don't have to do this, but just remember not to really put any kind of text or images there, because you're not going to be able to see it. It's going to be covered up. This bottom piece, this is going to be our main piece where you can put your nutrition facts labels, your barcode, and your branding here. In the middle piece, this is going to be the front of our template where you can put all of your clip arts, images, and text here. If you wanted to include the Airhead's logo in your design, you can head on over to Google and search for Airhead logo. You want to find a PNG image where the background is already transparent for you. But if you're unable to find one, Canva does have an option where you can remove the background from images, but it is part of their paid version. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can use a free website called remove.bg, and you can upload an image here and it will remove the background from that image for you for free. Next, you can head on up to the upload tab and upload all of the clip arts, your barcode, nutritional facts label, whatever you plan on using in your design. You can upload everything here. If you have Canva Pro, you can actually save your clip arts and things in different folders. If you use Canva a lot and upload a lot of clip arts like I do, having the option to save your clip arts in different folders, definitely helps keeps you organized. But if you don't have Canva Pro, you can find everything you just uploaded under the Uploads tab. So what I have done, I have gone through my clip arts and I selected the images that I may want to use in my design. I sized them down and I added them to the bottom of my page to make it easy for me to just grab what I need as I'm designing. So once you're happy with your design, you can delete any clip arts that you didn't use. If you want all of your labels to be the same, you can highlight everything. You want to make sure you highlight it and you want to group it together. You can move it up and you can duplicate. All right, a printing tip. If you're going to be printing on glossy photo paper or any type of paper, you're probably going to have to make sure you go into your printer settings and make sure your printer settings are correct for the type of paper that you're using. For my particular printer, when I'm using glossy paper, I have to go in and select the paper type as photo paper, and I need to set my print quality to best. guys, I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. You can find the links to all the materials that I use in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.